Today is history in the making. We have St. Jude, and we are excited because it is their STEM program, and everyone from Orange Mound and the city of Memphis is coming out to celebrate. So we are just extremely happy.
Well, Mary Young often talks about an era of yes. And to have St. Jude partner with Hanley School, which from my understanding, the first time this has ever been done, exposing our young people to what they can be, speaks to the volume and the power of our city and the investment in our young people.
What they'll do is they'll take the role of several different types of scientists or engineers, and we'll walk them through a case study where they have to diagnose a patient based on the evidence that's presented in front of them. Once they have done that, they will engage in an engineering design process where they have to construct a prosthetic given the materials that are provided.